Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how we can achieve internationalization. So here I'm using the app routing, and I have a directory for the language. So in this case, the lang will be a parameter forwarded to any page under this folder. So all the pages will get the language. For the language, we are going to get the right dictionary that will get all the translations. So in this case, get dictionary, I have here the possible locales, and in the dictionaries, I have an entry for each locale, which is just a function that will load these files, dictionaries, for English and Spanish. So if we look at one of those, this is just a JSON file where you have different entries, one for the home page, and these could be all the content that we want. So the dictionary, we look for the locale, and if there is a locale, we return the right dictionary, otherwise we return the English dictionary. So going back to the page, after we get the dictionary, we can start using it. And as you will be seeing, we have auto-completion, so it's very easy to use. For English, we have welcome, and for Spanish, bienvenido. So that is the content for the different languages. This is just how you can have the different translations depending on the language that is in the root. But a good practice is that we redirect the user based on the browser language. So if let me go here, English. If I go to my settings and I change the language, and I'll add Spanish and move that to the top. Now, if I load my website without any language in the URL, it will redirect to the right language. So how we do this is using Next.js Middleware. So the middleware is just a function that will intercept all the requests, and we will get as a parameter a request that is a next request. So with that, we're getting the path name, and we are checking if the path name already has a valid locale. So for instance, when I loaded now that I got redirected to the Spanish, I didn't have a locale. So we're checking if there is a valid locale. And if it has a valid locale, we don't do anything. So that means it would be localhost/yes has already a locale. We don't do anything. We just load that page. Otherwise, we are going to check what is the preferred locale, which I have another function here that accepts the request and checks for the accept language of the browser. And with that, we are going to check what is the preferred locale from the browser. And we are going to check if we have in the configuration which locales include that locale. So if there is a match, we return that locale, otherwise we return the default locale. So with that, we append to the path the preferred locale, and we redirect to that URL. And that's it. So here is just the match for the request. So this middleware will intercept all the requests apart from requests of the API or underscore next or the static folder or favicon. So everything will be intercepted apart from these ones. So that's it. This is our middleware. So with that, we finish this demo of the internationalization. I'll leave the URL for the Git repo in my description, and please check it. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and help me grow the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.